Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you what to do if Airdrop is not working. So Airdrop is an awesome feature that lets you instantly transfer files between Apple devices, whether you're sending a video to a friend's iPhone or moving documents from your iPad to your Mac. So when it works, it's seamless, but when it doesn't, it can be frustrating. So if Airdrop isn't working for you, here are some easy fixes you can get it back up and running. So the first and very easy fix is to check your visibility settings. So first you want to go into settings, go into general, tap on Airdrop. And here you want to make sure you're not hidden. So you need to make sure that you tap on everyone for 10 minutes. Now after this, you want to go ahead and try if Airdrop is working or not. If it's still not working, then you need to basically try proximity sharing. So proximity sharing is only available on iOS 17 and above. So you just need to bring two iPhones closer together. So if you bring another iPhone here just at the top, this will initiate Airdrop automatically. Or you can also use name drop for contact sharing and start a share play session this way. Now, if it still doesn't work, then you need to reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So since Airdrop relies on both, turning them off and on again can fix the connection issue. So you can do this by going to your control center, turning off Bluetooth, turning off the Wi-Fi, and doing it that way. Or you can just basically turn on airplane mode, wait for 10 seconds, and then tap on airplane mode again, and then go ahead and try your AirPlay. Now, if everything doesn't work, then the simple and the most classic fix is to reboot your device. So just turn off your iPhone by holding the power button and the volume button, power it off, and then turn it back on. So for most people, one of these tricks will solve the problem. If you're still stuck, then I would say contact Apple support, which will be your best bet. So there you go guys, that is what to do if your Airdrop is not working on your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.